Emma. Okay, put the spoon in your hand. Ready? Dip it in. Yay! Let's dip it in. Yay! Very gentle, gentle, gentle. Yay! And that is the way she feeds herself, huh? Is that the way you feed yourself? Good girl. No one said it was gonna be clean, huh? No, no, no. Okay?
No, no.
Right, say no, no, no. Okay, ready? Let's hold the spoon like a big girl and dip it in. Good girl. Okay, let's do it again. Yay! Good girl, sweetie. Yay, put your hands up. Yay, victory. Yay, victory. No. Can you say bye-bye? Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Good girl.